One of the highlights of Law Day in Penticton was the opportunity for students to participate in various learning activities and demonstrations at the local courthouse. They got to see firsthand how the justice system works and what it takes to be a part of it. One of the activities was a mock trial, where students played the roles of lawyers, witnesses, jurors, and judges. They had to prepare their arguments and evidence, question the witnesses, and deliver their verdict. The mock trial was based on a real case that involved a dispute over a dog bite. Another activity was a fitness test, where students had to complete a series of physical challenges that are required for law enforcement officers. They had to run, jump, climb, crawl, and lift weights. They also had to wear protective gear and carry equipment. The fitness test was designed to measure their strength, endurance, agility, and coordination. A third activity was a service dog demonstration, where students got to meet and interact with some of the dogs that assist the police and the courts. They learned about the different types of service dogs, such as patrol dogs, detection dogs, and therapy dogs. They also saw how the dogs are trained and how they perform their tasks. These activities and demonstrations gave the students a chance to learn more about the law and its role in society. They also inspired some of them to pursue careers in law or law enforcement. Law Day in Penticton was a memorable and educational experience for everyone involved. One of the highlights of the Law Day was the mock trial that involved dozens of students from different schools. The mock trial was based on a Star Wars theme, where Luke Skywalker was on trial for destroying the Death Star, and the students acted as lawyers, witnesses, and jury members. The prosecution argued that Luke Skywalker was a rebel terrorist who committed mass murder by blowing up the Death Star, a peaceful space station that was home to millions of innocent people. They presented evidence such as holograms, droids, and stormtrooper helmets to support their case. The defense argued that Luke Skywalker was a hero who saved the galaxy from the tyranny of the Empire and the Sith. They claimed that the Death Star was a weapon of mass destruction that threatened countless planets, and that Luke acted in self-defense and in accordance with the Force. They also questioned the credibility and motives of some of the prosecution's witnesses, such as Darth Vader and Emperor Palpatine. The jury, composed of students from various grades and backgrounds, had to weigh the arguments and evidence from both sides and reach a verdict. They deliberated for about 15 minutes before announcing their decision. They found Luke Skywalker not guilty of all charges and acquitted him. The mock trial was a fun and educational experience for the students, who learned about the legal system, critical thinking, public speaking, and teamwork. They also got to express their creativity and passion for Star Wars in a unique way. The mock trial was a success and inspired many students to pursue careers in law or justice.